Hello guys, today I'm gonna get a friend. There. Let's unbox it. Wow. Got it. Gonna assemble it here. So guys, this is it. Let's open it. I'm gonna assemble it. This one. I hope I get this one. I love it. Gotta get the friend. Whoa. He's pro. I cannot open it. Yeah. Wait lang. Sorry about that. This is it. Oh my god. Yay, I wanted this. Let's go. So where's the instructions? Got him. Okay. Yeah. Cannot do this. Wait. Got his hand. Gotta do the other one. Got the other one. I love it. Made the leg. I made it. They're best buddies. Thanks for watching. Look at this. Bye-bye.